Hi everybody, I'm Kamla, Assistant Professor from CSC Department. Today I'm explaining about first and follow set. So this first and follow set is very important topic in the compiler design subject to construct LR parsers. Okay, before going to the parser, first of all we discuss what is first and follow set. For any productions, if how to construct first set and follow set, we'll discuss with one example. Grammar. Here I have the grammar is S tends to B C D E, A tends to small a epsilon, B tends to small b epsilon, C tends to small c, D tends to small d epsilon, E tends to small e epsilon. Okay, so for constructing the first set, we should consider the leftmost symbol. To construct this follow set, we should consider the rightmost symbol. Okay, so first of all, I'm constructing first set for this S. So first of S is first of A B C D E. Okay, so first of A B C D means I should construct first of all first set of A B C D E. So because of that, I'm jumping to here. So first of A is equal to small a epsilon. So first set of A is A epsilon. First set of B is B epsilon. B epsilon. First set of C is C. And first set of D is D epsilon. And first set of E is E epsilon. So this is the first set for A, B, C, D, E. Now how to construct first set for S. So first set of S is A, B, C, D, E. So first of all, I'm constructing first of S is first of A. So first of A is what? A epsilon, right? A, and this epsilon substitute in place of A. So that A is vanished. So we have only B, C, D, E. Then the grammar can be represented as S tends to B, C, D, E. So first of S is first of B. What is the first of B? B comma epsilon, right? B here. Then instead of writing epsilon in this first set, substitute epsilon in place of B, so that B is vanished. Now the grammar is represented as S tends to C, D, E. Then first of S is first of C. So first of C is what? C. Now write C in its first set. Over. So this is the construction of first set for S, A, B, C, D, E. Now we'll construct follow set. The follow set is nothing but a, to construct this follow set, we should consider the right side of the productions. And before constructing the follow set, first of all identify what is the starting symbol in the given grammar. Here the starting symbol in the given grammar is S. Therefore, follow of S contains dollar. Remember, for any start symbol, the follow set of that particular start symbol contains dollar. Okay, then here I'm constructing follow of A. This follow of A is nothing but a first of B, C, D, E. First of B, C, D, E. So follow of A is first of B, C, D, E. And what is the first set of B? B epsilon. Write B in set of follow set. And instead of writing this epsilon, substitute epsilon in place of B, so that B is vanished. There is no more B. Then I have A, C, D, E. Then follow of A is equal first of C, D, E. What is the first set of C? C. Write that C in set of follow set. Now it is over. Then I'm calculating follow of B. And follow of B is what? First of C, D, E. So directly come into first set of C. What is the first set of C? C. Write C in follow set of C. Then I'm calculating follow of C. Follow of C is what? First of D, E. And what is the first set of D? First set of D is D epsilon. So write the D in follow of C. Then instead of writing epsilon in follow of C, substitute in place of D. So that D is vanished. There is no D. Now it is represented as C and E only. So that follow of E is nothing but a first of E. What is the first of E? E epsilon. Write E in fall of C, and again here I have an epsilon. Instead of writing epsilon here, substitute epsilon in place of E, so that E is vanished. So after C, here we don't have any symbols. There is no D and there is no E. So that C follows S. C follows S means what is the follow set of S? Dollar. So write the dollar to the follow of C. Then according to follow of D. Follow of D is nothing but about first of E. First of E is what? E epsilon. Write that E. Now take this epsilon, substitute in place of D. So that D is vanished. There is no any D. Then follow of E is equal this follow of S. Follow of S is what? Dollar. Write that dollar in place of follow of D. Now, okay, here I have it. D. Then here I'm calculating follow of E. Follow of E is nothing but about follow of E. After E, here we don't have any symbol. Directly this E follows S. What is the follow of S? Dollar. So this is the follow set for A, B, C, D, E and S. Similarly, we'll observe one more example. Okay, here I have a grammar is E tends to E plus T, E tends to T, T tends to T into F, T tends to F, F tends to ID. So this is my production. Observe here. For E, I have two production. Similarly, for T, I have a two production. For F, I have one production only. As usual, to construct this first set, we should consider only the left side symbol. How many left side symbols we have? E, T, F. So for these three symbols, I should consider first set. And similarly, to calculate follow set, we should consider the right side of the symbols. Okay, first of all, I'm constructing the first set. This according to this one, first of E, for E I have a two productions. First of E is E and one more is first of E is T. To calculate the first set of E, I should know the first of T. Because of that, I'm directly jumping to T. Again, here I have it for T, two productions. First set of T is T, first set of T is F. To calculate first of T, I should know the first set of F. Because of that, I'm jumping to first set of F. So according to this, first set of F is ID. So ID I written here. Then according to this, first of T is first of F. First of F value is copied to first of T. Then according to this, first of E is equal to T. So this first of T dash T value is copied to first of E. Now I'm calculating follow set. To calculate follow set, so first of all identify the start symbol in the grammar. The start symbol in the grammar is E. So this E, the follow of E must contains dollar. And observe E right side of the production. Here I have a E. So follow of E is what? Plus. So follow set of E contains plus sign dollar. And according to this, fall of T is equal to fall of E. So for the T, directly copy fall of E value. So dollar plus I copied, and according to this, fall of T is equal to star. Star followed by T over. Now according to this, fall of F is equal to fall of T. What is the fall of T? The center value is copied to fall of F. So like that, we can consider first and follow set. Thank you.